You know, we love our Ford F-450 trucks. We're the #1 source for everything F-450 across the entire country. Check out these Yokohamas on this iconic silver 2022 F-450 with the Kelderman 5.6. This is the Mac Daddy Kelderman air ride kit, rear radius arm, front Raptor shock, dual steering stabilizer, money setup, 37s, 24s, Yokohamas. This was about to go to the paint shop. Those mud terrains from Yokohama are actually quite impressive. Had some time to spend on these in the gloss black and milled American Force Forged wheels. We've got paint coming to this one, as I mentioned. Look how stunning and wide and bolsterous this truck is in the stock form with no paint. We added on some more customizations to it. Paint wise, it's going to be truly next level. A good look out back at the rear, Raptor shocks, no diff cover. So there's even more things we could add to this vehicle to make it even more next level for our reserve edition. But iconic silver is a statement. When we go with our agate black to it, we're going to jump over next door to this one as well. Another Kelderman truck, 37s, 24s. You know how we do. We got star white metallic. We've got another set of American Force Pulse wheels with Toyo Open Country AT3 tires on this rendition versus the Yokohamas. You see you got a distinct difference in how aggressive the tire is. You got a black and milled wheel throughout, but you got better ride quality, 4-link in the rear on both. A full replacement of your suspension components, both front and rear, with Firestone airbags. Let me know what you think in the comments. Star white or iconic silver, which one is your choice? Again, another look at the rear there, with the setup is all complete and polished in every single way. You got your compressor out back as well, but a good mild to wild scale. We're a good bit past that mid-level range. I don't know if I'm more of a star white guy or that iconic silver. They're both stunning in their own right. We're not going to paint this one, but we do have a 8 to 10 inch 450 that we're going to paint. So this white one here sits the way it's going to sit, but that Pulse wheel with the star white, it's a money setup. You got your Raptor shocks from Kelderman, which are specifically tuned for this application, ride height sensor. These trucks will be available for sale. It'll be late February 2023 before they're ready, but just had to bring them to you the way they're sitting right now to show you the progress at your source, Wild Willies Custom Accessories. Now, a customer F-450 as a bonus today, y'all. Yeah! Another star white F-450. Our Covert Edition upgrades include our standard Ready Lift 2.5 inch level kit. We have Falcon shocks from Ready Lift on this one, a new variation. I'm much impressed with how these shocks ride overall as far as ride quality. We're on 37s and 22s on this rendition. Shocks front and rear. The ride quality is so superior on 37s and 22s. To me, this is the best overall balance of ride quality and looks. Even though I'm a 24 inch guy, I'm a 26 inch guy and all, but the black and milled on the star white with no paint, it still hits totally different. I love the way this one turned out. And again, you can just level the truck up front and make it work. You see there, the spacing there on that wheel is still money. It's not too close. And again, just that mild to wild scale is perfect. Good look at the Falcon shocks out back. I love that new shock combo there. Great ride quality. So more options is what we bring you here at our custom accessory store at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time. Peace out. Yes, 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 yes.